In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Automated Folders feature in Dropbox to perform automatic tasks on your files. Dropbox's automated folders are a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your workflow by executing predefined actions each time a file is added to a designated folder. These actions can include converting files to PDFs, renaming or tagging them, unzipping file archives, and even altering image formats. By design, these automation rules are applied to the contents of the folder and can also be set to include subfolders. This feature really saves you the tediousness of repetitive manual tasks and boosts efficiency. Let's dive into how you can set up your own automated folders step by step. First, we'll start by creating a new automated folder. You will need to navigate to Dropbox.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create option, typically found in the toolbar or menu area, and choose Folder. Following that, select Automated Folder. Now is the time to give your folder a unique name. You'll also want to determine where this folder will reside in your directory structure. After you've set that up, you'll be prompted to select the automation options you desire. Some of the standard options include converting files to PDFs, unzipping files, or changing media formats like images, videos, or audio. You can also choose to apply tags or rename files and folders within this setup. Once you're satisfied with your choices, hit Save. Your folder will now be configured with the selected automation rules, all set to perform these tasks for you automatically. If you're thinking about adding automation to an existing folder, the process is quite straightforward. First, locate the folder within your Dropbox web interface. Hover over it or click to select it, then look for the gear icon, which opens the Settings menu. From there, select Organize and then Add Automation. This option enables you to configure the rules as per your needs. There are additional settings you might want to consider, such as applying the rules to current files already within the folder, as long as they're within the file count limit. You can also choose to include all subfolders, ensuring the automation cascades downwards, affecting items as they're added across the structure. Don't forget to save the rule once you're done. Managing, pausing, or even removing automation from a folder can also be efficiently handled. To pause automation, access the folder settings again and toggle the active paused switch. Should you decide to remove automation altogether, simply edit the settings and click on the trash icon to delete the rule. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can share an automated folder just like any other folder. The automation you've set up will still work for anyone who has access. Remember, though, that if you're dealing with a subfolder under a shared parent, you might need to reconfigure the automation settings for it to function correctly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Dropbox's automated folders to simplify your file management tasks.